Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and today I'm back with another epic collaboration, this time with Art from Instagram. He's a great artist and the main reason why I wanted to work with him is because of these drawings. I love this style and wanted to create something like this myself, and I wanted Art to color it his style. And for this epic collaboration, I was thinking of drawing the first ever transformation of Goku into Super Saiyan with different scenes of it in one drawing. For me, the old school Super Saiyan Namek Goku drawing style is one of my own personal favorites and I love drawing like that. I will draw Goku Super Saiyan in a nice stance in front, which I will draw from the head in my own style, and then I will separate the paper with Goku's energy, just like in the drawings of Art, so I can draw some nice scenes from the transformation. Sounds amazing, and I think we can enjoy the line art now, and I will talk to you guys again when I've finished my part. Hit like and let's go. Alright guys, that's it for my part. I think I did a pretty good job and I'm really happy with the results. The Goku in the middle looks so badass, and as for the scenes of the transformation, I choose my own personal favorites. I really like this one, and now we will check out how Tommy's art is going to color this. Make sure to like the video if you haven't already, and let's go. So guys, there we have the final result of Goku's first ever iconic transformation into Super Saiyan on Namek vs Frieza. With colors it looks even better, and I think Tomiskon art has done a really great job. His coloring style is very similar to mine, but he uses the white gel pen a lot for the outlines and for many highlights on a drawing, which looks great in my opinion. As we can see, he only uses Copic markers and nothing else I think. And he's also not a YouTuber, therefore the quality of his video was not the best in an understandable way, but I'm glad that for our collab he was able to record his coloring process. I really enjoyed this collaboration and I think the final result of this drawing is amazing. So guys, let me know what you think down below in the comments and make sure to like the video to show me your support. Check out Tomiskon art on Instagram, and prints of this drawing are now available on Etsy. If you are interested in a custom drawing, message me on Instagram, and the sketching and inking part of this drawing I will upload in full time on my real-time drawing channel soon. Check the info box for all the other information you need, and I see you guys on the next video.